Whoa, hold on, RT, there it is, supercharged. Did not see that one. Oh, get the bee off me, get the bee off me. Ah, all right. Look at that intake. What is that? Dodge all-wheel drive too, eh?
I saw it.
Common trend.
It almost looks like a 6.1 intake.
Sure,
What's that?
It almost looks like a 6.1 intake.
Yeah.
We're all Mopar, we're open Mopar. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah. But no.
Hey Greg, what kind of intake is that?
I feel like that would be a ProCharger intake. They seem to be more expensive to like makers.
Yeah,
That's a wrecked.
Oh, the manifold. Yeah, no, I was just thought you were thinking that speaks about the intake. Like, I don't know, it costs $7,000 more. I don't know why, but it's a fancy intake. I don't know what manifold it is.
That's a new one.
Yeah.
It's like a rebuilt 6.1 or something.
It almost looks like a sniper.
It's like, well, similar, but it's definitely an aftermarket in the 6.1 style.
Yeah.
It's probably got the ribs in there. This is a nice manifold, though.
It is, yeah.
I kind of want to know what that is.
Exactly.
This is pretty cool. Look at those fucking dimes.
Yeah, you know what's not cool, though?
What?
You can't see how much coolant's in it.
That's true. You have to check it.
When I replaced mine, I bought a brand new one that's clear.
Yeah.
Just an OEM
Did
style.
you?
There's a
Yeah, so I can see how much. Chill, laid back. He's like, dude, I'm running cargo, been talking to him, it's fucking great.
He's different now.
He's been talking about farting with quail eggs, stinking there running out of cars, and
He used to be the arrogant one.
Yeah.